on, y'all? It's your boy Unique again, back with the OBS. As you see, we're getting it together. Wiring's coming together slowly but for surely. Got these 3 bundles that need to be removed. As you see, we got the main harness stand out. Got everything we're going to need to keep, and everything is over there that we don't need. So yeah, we're going to get everything put in here soon. We're going to figure out where we're going to run the standalone, which is going to probably be on this side somewhere. I figure it out, man, where since we're not probably going to use it, since we're not using the radio or anything, this is probably where we're going to put it at. Widen that hole up a little bit. So we're going to do that probably here soon. Also too, man, been busy here. As you see, man, we got the bumper resprayed, rattle candid. Really wasn't worried about the pop marks and anything. All I'm really worried about is having it looking good from a distance. You know, I don't care if you walk up on it, man. From a distance is all I care about. You know, as you know, all we already did shows you the tubs already. And here goes the front grille. Yes, getting that together, making sure everything around here, man, looks crispy going back on here, especially that going back in. Yeah, as you see, man, got the new intake put on. Well, the old intake put on. So I mean, it didn't make sense to keep the old up and keep the LS4 on there. So get ready to order a new water pump too soon. So yeah, so this way we can get this thing dropped in. I already got the mounts on order, so they'll be here soon. We've still got to grind out we grinded out the first one here. We still need to grind and get those 3 out, and the one over here on that opposite side. I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, we're gonna get that out too. So yeah, we're getting it in, man, getting it in. So you know, I'm gonna treat y'all, but man, you already know what's happening, man. So keep up what you do, man, and holla at me.